You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Yeah, I'm just chillin' with a couple bad ones and they running their mouth on them. Grew up in the Bay, the other one from the South. I don't know how I get home, but I figure it out. Said, okay, got the Uber on the way. Is you coming or not? Steady moving like a check when it bounce. I brought my brothers to the hills and now I can't get them out. They asking where we go from here. I told them up in the clouds. They say the good die young, but I think we gon' figure it out.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How y'all doing?
Good morning. I'm getting sensory.
Yeah, I just started recording.
Did you get my handstand in it?
Oh, you want to do it? Come on.
Did you miss it?
I did miss it. All right, we are going to see her athleticism.
You missed it.
Show me what the UK can do.
Okay, I'll do it again. Probably can't hold it as long now. I did a really good handstand and you didn't get it.
Oh. Okay.
Too much
Okay.
pressure!
On a balcony, tower overhead, naked, oiled up. That is my vision. And then, same thing, but on the sun lounger light.
Yeah, that's very specific.
That's very specific, yeah. That's what minimal.
Hey! Okay. You got Megan Thee Stallionese?
Been like this.
You offered me what?
Would you like one of my ginger nuts?
Where you get that from?
From the shoppy shop.
Yeah, you took your glasses off to.
Would you like a
So seductive.
ginger nut?
It's so seductive.
Oh, so seductive.
Have I tempted you?
You call that a biscuit, I call that a cookie.
That's not a cookie, that's a ginger nut.
That's a cookie.
That is a
Look,
biscuit.
That's a biscuit.
this is a cookie.
A
That is
cookie?
not a cookie.
Yes.
That's not. Taste the crunch of that. It's different.
It's a bitty.
It's all crumbled because she dropped them on the floor.
All right.
The bash blames me for it.
In America, this is a cookie.
But you
That's
call
a
them
ginger
cookies.
nut.
Look at this.
It's a biscuit.
Cookies have chips in them.
Listen. Y'all put in the comments below, cookie or biscuit?
Motherfucking biscuit.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
Can you give me that
You
swap one
made
more
this
time?
mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately.
Yes,
I just
ma'am.
need to clear my head.
Yes, ma'am.
I just need to clear my head.
It's hot out here.
to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between
We are now getting a workout after a meal. Woo! I did not skip leg day this trip. The legs are fully intact.
I got to join another vlog. Here we are. We did not skip leg day.
Drone operator. Yeah.
sunset shines tonight. I'm on your side, just me and you. Let's catch a flight. Oh, there's no one else. Maybe let's go right. There's something in the air tonight. I love it when you treat me right. 'Cause there's something in the air tonight. I don't wanna fight, no. When the sun goes down tonight, the feeling's right. There's something in the air tonight. I'm on your side. I love it when you treat me right. Tonight, the feeling's right. 'Cause there's something in the air tonight. I don't wanna fight, no. When the sun goes down tonight, the feeling's right. There's something in
Just got done with the sunset at this cathedral overlooking the city. It was beautiful. Now, some of the models had some drinks, so you know it was a little chaotic, but we made the best of it. What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD, and if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.